This is a Bedford-bound 7 express train.
The next stop is
Hanover Street. This is a Bedford-bound 7 express train.
The next stop is
Lake Avenue. This is a Bedford-bound 7 express train.
The next stop is
Elm Street. This is a Bedford-bound 7 express train.
The next stop is
Southgate Drive.
This is
Southgate Drive. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, and Q and R trains. This is a GPSOPOLIS bound R local train.
The next stop is
Meadowcrest Drive.
This is
Meadowcrest Drive. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, C, E, and L trains. Connection is available to the PATH trains. This is a GPSOPOLIS bound E Express train.
The next stop is
Gage Rd.
This is
Gage Rd. Transfer is available to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, C, G, N, Q, R, and L trains. This is a GPSOPOLIS bound E Express train.
The next and last stop is
GPSOPOLIS.
This is
GPSOPOLIS. Transfer is available to all New York City subway trains. Connection is also available to the PATH trains by continuing the ride of an interior of GPSOPOLIS and using your Metro card.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone please leave the train. Thank you for riding with MTA New York City Transit.